everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to add to wishlist on Temu. If you find an item you'd like to add to your wishlist so that you can shop it later, then the process is quite easy. So let's jump into the video right away. First of all, open the Temu application from your app drawer and make sure to log into your account. After you're signed into the account, go ahead and find the item by browsing through or searching for the item you want to add to your wish list with the help of the search box at the top of the screen. Once you search for a category, go ahead and open up a product you'd like to add to your wish list, and once you open up the product overview page, scroll down and look for the option that says Save with a heart icon right next to product details. Simply tap on Save and you will be able to add the product to your wish list. If you want to view the added product, go ahead and get to the main home page of Temu. Now, from the main home page, tap on the U button at the bottom and scroll down and tap on Wishlist option in order to view your items that you've added to your wish list. Once you've added the product, you can now manage your product by removing items you no longer want or by organizing them into categories. So that is how you will be able to add an item to wish list on Temu. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.